Hi, Braveheart. Welcome to a quick stretching snack with ZGALA. That's me. It's getting late. I'm tired, but I didn't do my arm stretches, so I'm going to do that. This is obviously not jazzercise, not a yoga class, just me stretching, sometimes strengthening, and hopefully encouraging you to check in with your own body, do a little stretching too. I encourage you to either follow along with me or follow your own lead. Make sure you breathe and smile above and beyond all else. I'm going to just be doing a little quick arm stretching. So bringing one arm across the body, and then I'm going to actively stretch it by sort of doing some circle-ish things with this side, and then counter stretch that. I like to always remind everyone there's not one way to check in with your body, not one way to love yourself a little bit more, not one way to get more fit and free. It's an ongoing process. And yeah, the best way to do it though is to show up regularly. Just start and then show up regularly. Do a little bit more if you can. Do the best you can from where you are with what you got. This arm is stiff. I got to go snowboarding today, and I haven't got to go in a month, and so my body's feeling it. Let's do some shoulder shrugs. Just gonna breathe in and hold some tension, and then sigh and let go at least 3 times. This is a great way to reset the nervous system and just relax, let go of some stress. So breathing in, bringing the shoulders up. You can clench up the fingers and the toes and the pelvic floor if you want. Breathe in a little bit more and then just let that go. Shake it off. Shake off whatever stresses are in there. Let's do it again. Breathing in. Tensing up. Breathing in a little bit more, holding, and then just letting it go. I'm going to adjust my feet because I'm sitting on this mat. Let's do it one more. Breathing in, bringing the shoulders up, bringing the hands up if you feel like it. Just tensing everything up as much as you can. Breathing in a little more and holding, and then I encourage you to make various funny noises when you're sighing. You have full permission and encouragement from me. And notice as you're sighing, like, or notice how those feel different in your body, and see if one serves you better than another in a specific context. Perhaps you might discover you have a favorite way to sigh, and that's cool. I'd love to know that if you care to share. But also you might discover that different sounds create different sensations in your body, and by practicing that, you may discover that you have a new tool for helping to manage stress. I have a hair in my mouth. That doesn't help me manage stress at all. If you stop by regularly, you will find that I tend to be silly. I'm on the fly, unedited, just trying to demonstrate what a real human being is like. I know you're a real human being too, and I encourage you to be that. Dive into it. Be yourself. There's only one you, and we really need you to be you because nobody else can. So stay curious, stay courageous, stay as fit and free as you can. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thank you if you do. And I'll be seeing you. Till next time. Peace.